Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yessie, and I'm back with another video. For today's video, I'm going to be doing another look using the newest palette from Tresluce Beauty called Midnight Deseos, which looks like this. Look how pretty. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. I'm gonna be doing a Thanksgiving look, you know, giving you ideas, giving myself ideas for Thanksgiving. So if you're interested or you want to know what I come up with, then please keep on watching. Hola amigas, besties. So today I'm gonna be doing a look using Midnight Deseos from Tresluce Beauty. I got this baby from their website and yeah, I've been loving it. So already I already did my eyebrows and I used nothing new. I used the ABH Brow Wiz in Ebony and the ABH dual powder in Ebony as well, and then I carved just the bottom of my eyebrows with the MAC paint pot in soft ochre, and I also used this to prime the lids. So yeah, and then of course I lightly set that with my translucent powder. And then for the lips, because they were feeling a bit dry, I used the Lunar Beauty lip oil. This is in Dare Me. I love this. It just hydrates my lips so much, so love it. And yeah, why don't we just jump in? So on this for this look, I kind of want to use the orange tones and the brown tones for Thanksgiving, and probably the yellow as well. So yeah, alrighty, so I got the mirror right here. It is magnetic, it is detachable, which is pretty nice. And let's just jump in. So like always, I'm gonna use the shade Ethereal, and I'm going to use that basically all over the lid just to set. Even though I use my translucent powder, you know, I just like to use any light shade on the lid to set it. And this is like a lavender eyeshadow, but it doesn't look lavender on the eyes. It just looks like a very light white powder. So yeah, alrighty, so it should look something like that. Pretty simple. Now I'm gonna grab a blending brush. I'm gonna be using the Morphe times Ariel brushes mainly, and this is the 811, which is just your typical blending brush. And I'm gonna go into the color Memories, which is this orangey color right here, and I'm gonna use that color on the crease. So like here, like so. These eyeshadows are very beginner friendly. They are light, but you can intensify them as you please. So that's always nice. Like, look at that. Look how pretty that orange shade is. And I'm just gonna blow it out all the way up into the brow bone just to diffuse the color. I love this color. It's so vibrant. And I think it matches my shirt pretty well. That was unintentional, but yeah. Alrighty, so now I'm going to use another Morphe times Ariel brush from the kits, and I'm going to get the 820, which is a tapered blending brush, and I'm going to go into the shade, let's see, I think I want to go in with Journey, which is this nice brown color right here. And I'm going to use that color in the outer part of the lid. So right here. And I'm just going to keep it on the lid like so. I'm going to pat it first and then I'm going to blend it out to the crease. I just love how blendable these eyeshadows are. They're so blendable. Like, do you see that? It's already blended. I'm gonna do circular motions and trying to blend that brown into the orange. Now I'm actually going to grab that blending brush with no additional product, and I'm just going to go over the edge here like so. And if you feel like you lost some of that brown, you can definitely go back in with the brown and just pat it. I gotta say, I really enjoy the detachable mirror. Like, you would think you don't need it, but you need it. And if you think it doesn't blend, just go into the shade again, the orange shade we use in the crease, and just go over it again. Like so. So pretty. Alrighty, now I'm gonna get a more flat shader brush. Again, this is from the Morphe times Ariel brush kit. This is the 829, which looks like this, and I'm gonna use the shade Serenity, which is this like light, like pale yellow, and I'm gonna use that all over the empty space right here in the lid. I have to stop saying all over, oh my gosh, but yeah, like so. I like to look down, that way I can apply shadow up here in the crease. And I'm gonna blend the yellow into the brown as well, like so. Now I'm gonna grab the 820 and I'm gonna go into that brown called Journey, and I'm going to apply it again, pat it and blend it. Now to blend this brown color into the yellowish shade, I'm going to use the color Blessings, which is this like very light brown right here. It's coming off a little bit brown. Well, it is brown, yeah, which is this one right here. And I'm gonna use that color to blend the dark brown with the mustard, or the pale yellow. I shouldn't say mustard, but like so. Just so you see like a gradient happening from the pale yellow to the brown. So like so. And now I kind of want to intensify the orange a little bit more, especially here in the inner part right here, because I want that pale yellow to pop as well. Alright, so unintentionally I created an all matte look, just in case you didn't want to use the rest. Or you can substitute the pale yellow color with one of the shimmers or metallics, if you'd please. So I think, well, how they describe this palette is these are metallics, which they come off as metallics, but these two right here, they're very chunky. Like, especially when I swatch them, they seem like pressed glitters, but they look like a metallic. So I just wanted to make that correction. I know in my last video I said they were pressed glitters, and they do seem that way, but they're metallics. Like they swatch like metallics. But yeah, anyways, they're really pretty, and you most definitely can substitute, like I said, this pale yellow with one of the metallics. But I kind of like this all matte look, and I usually typically use shimmers, metallics, glitters on just about all my tutorials because that's what I like. But you know, every so often I like to do an all matte look, and this eye look came out really pretty, being that it's all matte. So yeah, now I'm gonna jump off camera. I am going to probably do a liner, lashes, finish the face, and then I'll come back so you can see the final result. So stay tuned. And I'm back. So this is the look. What do you guys think? I know I say this about every look that I do, but I truly do like the look, especially because it's all matte. It's different to me. It's so classy. It's so, I can't think of the word, but I really like it, and it was very simple to recreate. And just in case you don't like an all matte look, you can most definitely add a shimmer to this inner part of the eyelid, and you're good to go. So yeah, I'm gonna have the rest of the details of my makeup that I used and in the description in case you're interested. And yeah, I had a blast doing this eye look as always, and I really hope you enjoyed today's eye look. I really hope you're having a great day wherever you are, and as always, I'll catch you on the next one.